Everybody's chasing time. I slip off the grid tonight. Back roads wind through neighborhoods. Kids play ball where old swings stood. I'd rather hear the blacktop hum than headlights screaming where I'm from. So I take the slow road where the stop signs let me know I ain't gotta race the clock. Got my soul in this old rock. Let that fast lane lose my load. Yeah, I take the slow road. Gas station, coffee, corner store. Old boys talking about the war. There ain't no deadline, ain't no boss. Out here, no seconds lost. Cut through blocks they say forgot. Drive past dreams and empty lots. Every mile takes weight away. I find my freedom off the main. So I take the slow road where the stop signs let me know I ain't gotta race the clock. Got my soul in this old rock. Let that fast lane lose my load. Yeah, I take the slow road. One more mile, one more song. Turn it up, I'll sing along. Highway life just moves too fast. I'll burn my gas where moments last. Yeah, I take the slow road where the stop signs let me know I ain't gotta race the clock. Got my soul in this old rock. Let that fast lane lose my load. Yeah, I take the slow road. Headlights fade in my rear view. I'm alive, I'm feeling true. Tonight I'm free, tonight I know why I take the slow road. Got a cooler in the back, a map on my knee, a playlist of old songs and new memories. The sky's burning peach and the road runs wide. The only thing missing is you by my side. Let's take the county roads where the pine trees lean, past rusted out barns and fields of green. I'll trade the city noise for your sweet laugh. Let's get a little lost and never look back. Ride shotgun with me, roll the window down, let the wind mess up that pretty crown. From gravel roads to the big blue sea, don't need a plan, just you and me. We'll chase the sun till the stars agree. Come on and ride shotgun with me. We'll find a diner with a screen door squeak, split a slice of pie, maybe stay all week. We'll dance in a parking lot under string lights, two hearts beating like tires at night. Ride shotgun with me, roll the window down, let the wind mess up that pretty crown. From gravel roads to the big blue sea, don't need a plan, just you and me. We'll chase the sun till the stars agree. Ride shotgun with me, kick your feet on the dash, laugh like kids, let the world fly past. From river bends to hills that rise, we'll chase the day, then count fireflies. Wherever we go, whatever we see, I just want you riding shotgun with me.
Rolling north out of Leola town, through the pines where the rail slowed down, came a letter one May morning clear that said Haskell talking for near a year. Said, boys, report the war's begun, pack your kits and your iron guns. You're bound for France and on to Russia's snow, sign the roadmaster iron mold. Now section hands drop tools in line, saluted proud at the railroad sign, while the telegraph clicked and the depot buzzed, but no one knew what the letter was. Sheriff rode in on a borrowed mare, found every worker standing there, said ain't no call from Washington way, someone's been laughing while you've been played. So they burned that note in a kerosene pan, swore next fool meet the marshal's hand. But still each year when May rolls round, they raise a glass of that joker's town. Now the rails wind east through the kudzu green, past ghosts of trains and what might have been. And if you hear laughter beneath the pine, that's a forger's joke still right on time.
They clear that field by the interstate line, orange gones gleam in the summer shine, big red smile rising from the ground. Yeah, the beavers coming to town. At Dan's Diner, the talk runs loud, more cars, less quiet, bigger crowd. But down at Black Dog, folks don't mind, saying brisket smoke sure smells fine. The beavers coming to town, y'all, with fudge and shirts that say it all. From dawn to dark, the tailgates roll, fueling dreams on the open road. No trucks allowed past the exit sign, families and campers wait in line. Right off exit 114 bound, you can hear that highway sound. Short ridge hums with a path laid down. Yeah, the beavers coming to town.